there you guys are. It's around 24 hours from when we refrigerated the dough. Actually, everything you missed is my fault. I forgot to turn the camera on, but the dough looks like it rose pretty good. It's pretty aerated. I don't think you'll be able to get a good view of it. Certainly wish there was smell-o-vision. This came out really good. But anyway, let's build this thing up, get it into the OONI, and let's try it. So it looks like it came out great. Hear that crunch? Hear that dishwasher? So it looks like it came out great. We're just gonna let it cool off for a few more minutes. I've already sliced it. We got a good view of the crust. Feels good, smells good. It's gonna taste great, I'm pretty sure of it. So far I'm liking it. Pre-salt the water. Who knew? Get that gluten strong. I also like to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, grated Parm on top at the end so it doesn't get bitter and lose the umami from the heat. I'm going to do a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder. That's the way I like to eat this pizza. Okay, we got some fresh basil. We're going to add that in too. Picked right from the garden. Grow your own herbs. You get whatever you need when you need it. Great idea because pizza margherita, who doesn't love basil on there? All right, so I cut my pizza again into a smaller piece. You can see the crust is cornicione, is beautiful. Tastes just like it looks, light, airy, crispy. Very good Neapolitan style pizza. Maybe we could get it a little bit taller. Rise out of the dough, but overall I'm pretty happy with this. For a first time attempt, it's only going to get better. I am going to do this again. I think this recipe was highly successful, very easy to do, and I'm eager to work out some of the kinks and invite you back in for some pizza. We're having a pizza party from now until we're out of flour. So subscribe, get invited, and we'll see you again soon.
This was totally supposed to be part of yesterday's video.